Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a thumbs up, a like. If you're following us on Rumble, please give us a follow. Well, quite the morning. I'm trying to get some new internet equipment installed, and of course the new equipment they sent me doesn't work, so I had to reinstall my old equipment, wasting my day. Just trying to get it all hooked up so I can get the live cam on. Didn't work. So we're out here. We have to do our daily update on the garden, and bit by bit everything is slowly dying off. I mean, missed another giant zucchini right there, which would be very much like this beast right there. I said it before, I'm gonna have to pay more attention to these bloody seeds next year. I was smart. Once I realized it's a zucchini plant, just rip it out of the squash box. Okay? Because there's another one right there. Let's see if we can focus in on that one. Okay, right there. Can't do anything with those, except carve them up for Halloween. Yeah, that's sage. Look at all that sage growing that these beds are sitting on. Aha! A zucchini. A zucchini that's actually ready and okay. Wow. Fantastic. Let's put this guy down so we can keep walking around. Well, I guess that's our work for today. Not likely. Still in the process of tearing down the pool. The inside's all dried out. Now I have to clean the outside today. It's great to have a couple of nice warm, mid-20 sunny days to do this. Because, you know, overnight low of 11. It's going to be overnight lows, not even low teens, tweens. And our pepper plants and our tomatoes are still surviving. And so are the others. Let's have a look here at our squash box. From the big giant hole where the lattice gave way. And oh, that's just a frame. All right. Oh, look. I say look and I'm not even pointing at it. Okay, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. There we go. Just starting to open up. The last giant sunflower. Such slow growth this year. Yeah, it's a nice looking pepper. Dividing there. So I noticed there's a few zucchinis on this side. Alright. Nope, gonna grow more. Yeah, and you're just about perfect. And the other ones are still growing. But you can see how the zucchini here in the flagstone area is just making use of a nice clean area for it to expand in without competition. Just what this kind of vine loves. growing right out of the box into the path and giving us fruit. Which is all right here at the end of the growing season. Early in the year it'd be kind of annoying because then you can't get in between the boxes. Picked more beans yesterday. We had a wonderful meal. And we will be able to pick another haul today. It seems like here we are at the end of August and the beans are finally getting into a routine of production. Just before, you know, the growing season's done. Still thinking in about a week, once that next low comes through. I mean, they were talking between 30 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Just on the other side of Lake Ontario. Well, our potatoes, as I was just looking at here, the tops are still doing fine. Yeah, except when I let them be assaulted by... Oh, not going to be assaulted much now. I just pulled your roots out. Those morning glories grow everywhere. Ah, yes. I still have plenty of potatoes. I don't need to dig these up right now. And our giant kale. I was worried about the pollinators yesterday, but as soon as the sun came out, the pollinators started to fly around. All right, let's go in front and have a good look at Butch and the gang. And here we are at the lavender. Still smells wonderful. Our corner pumpkin, oh, looks like we had a little bit of growth. With the heat yesterday in the sun. I guess if we look at it, what you just see is just above the second stone. Tomorrow's video, we should be able to see the growth. And our corner giant sunflower, still making its seeds. And oh my goodness, what happened here? Looks like Butch got thoroughly attacked. Wow, just decimated. Critters really did a number. Oh, there we go, another snap-oo-roo. Well, guess we can add these to the vase. Let's put that down right here. Actually, no. Let's put this in the lavender cage. There we go. Wow. Well, there's still a few flowers on Butch there. But wow, really? I guess they emptied the bird feeder and then took it out on Butch. Look at this insanity. It's just, oh yeah, just destroyed. Okay. Well, is our little golf ball growing? It could be, I'm not sure. And the morning glories are continuing their path down the rope. What's this? What do we got going on here? Oh, that's just that. All right, and our sunflower. Look at you. Well, the head's finally starting to get some weight. And these morning glories. Looking glorious in the sun. This will be a tangled mess of vines, dried out vines by Halloween. Now look at these. Just grand. Well, I hope the pollinators are enjoying them. Okay, well, if you hung out till the end, I really appreciate it. Old Butch there took quite a bit of beating. That's the way it goes in the Southern Ontario jungle. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.